Maybe what's happening is something changed on the network where all traffic is being sent to one server and it's being overloaded, right? So having things like LoadMaster 360, since we're in the middle and we're collecting all of this information, we're able to feed this into dashboards, widgets to give these insights. So the application's slow. Let me go to LoadMaster 360. Let me take a look at this application. Let me start poking around. Look at the widgets, look at how it's performing, look how the traffic's being distributed. Maybe what's happening is something changed on the network where all traffic is being sent to one server and it's being overloaded. Right? How are you going to know that, right? Unless you get those insights, right? We call this lumpy load balancing, right? Because it's something on the network which is changed, and maybe it was working fine before. The network team changed something on the firewall, didn't notify, didn't think about what that effect would be on the application and the load balancer because of this persistent setting, and all of a sudden now you have all the traffic going to one, and maybe in low traffic time it's not a problem. 6 months down the road, it's Cyber Monday. Now the entire site crashes because now you being notified about that, of understanding what's happening is key to uncovering this stuff, right? So getting these insights in LoadMaster 360 will keep you on top of that kind of stuff, so those kind of things don't happen down the road. So there's persistent key piece of load balancing when it comes to those kind of applications, that you need to have the user session on that. But if something changes where all of a sudden the persistence is now a bit of a problem because all the traffic is coming from one, then you're going to have that kind of issue. So being on top of getting those in is just as important as getting the availability and scalability. I mean, that's all required, but you need to see what's going on.